To set up a Creative-Tonie, you need 3 things: a working Tonie box with access to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, a Creative-Tonie, and a smartphone or computer. Open My Tonies. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play or the App Store. First, add a new Creative-Tonie to your account. Simply place it on top of your Tonie box when asked to. After a few seconds, your Creative-Tonie will say,
"Well, hello there,"
and pop up in the app. Now, give your Creative-Tonie a name. Now let's add your first voice recording. Hit the record button and speak into your phone. Once you have named and saved your recording, you can assign it to one or multiple Creative-Tonies in your household. Now you'll need to sync your Tonie box to let it know that something has changed. Take your Creative-Tonie off the Tonie box, then pinch one ear for 3 seconds until you hear a sound. The Tonie box will now check for new available content. Once you hear, your Tonie box is ready for new audio fun with your Creative-Tonie. Want to add existing content to your Creative-Tonie? That's easy. Tap the Upload button and find the audio file. Whenever you upload new or change existing content, you will be asked to sync your Tonie box. But you already know how that works, right? One more thing. You can change the order of your files on the Creative-Tonies, or erase them individually or all at once. Now you're ready to explore the endless possibilities of Creative-Tonies. If you want another family member or friend to have access to your Creative-Tonie, we suggest you watch our tutorial on user permissions.